following diagram shows modification of the meiosis I. Which of the following cells do not divide once? Mitosis occurs in A. Haploid interphase is also called resting stage because A. Cell meiosis involves A. 2 nuclear divisions in 2 chromosome divisions. B. 2 nuclear divisions in 1 chromosome division. C. 1 nuclear. Right. Meiosis occurs in A. Haploid cells. B. Diploid. Right. Which of the following statements is correct for meiosis? A. First division is equational and the second is reductional. Right. Meiosis can be studied in angiosperm in A. Root apical meristem. B. Shoot apical meristem. C. Dividing cells of vascular cambium. D. Right. How many meiotic divisions are necessary to produce 600 pollen grains? A. 50. Right. Before undergoing meiosis, the amount of DNA of a cell A. Halves. B. Doubles. C. Remains the same. D. Quadruples. Right. Which of the following represents the correct order in prophase I? A. Right. In which stage of meiosis, the chromosome is thin, long and thread-like? A. Leptoten. B. Zygote. C. Pachyton. D. Diakinesis. Right. Synaptonemal complex has a role in A. Chromosome pairing. B. Chromosome movement. C. Right. The synaptonemal complex is formed during A. Cytokinesis. B. Right. Bivalents are formed during A. Diplotin. B. Pachyton. C. Zygote. D. Right. Tetrad is made of A. 4 non-homologous chromatids. B. 4 non-homologous chromosomes. C. 4 homologous chromosomes with 4 chromatids. D. Right. The exchange of paternal and maternal chromosome material during cell division is A. Dyad formation. B. Crossing over. C. Synapsis. D. Bivalent.